earthquake is back. It's still going on. I think it's calming down. I just might head back to the park. It might be safer there. Now it's coming back up again. A little bit. Very strange noises. I'm not talking about the Japanese voices.